Ever found yourself locked out of your car, staring at your key fob like it's just a sad chunk of plastic? Or maybe you've pushed that start button with confidence, only to realize your fob and your car seem to be on the outs, like they're in the middle of an awkward breakup? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. It happens even to the most seasoned drivers. The upside? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to program your key fob all on your own. No dealership headaches or tech jargon involved. Now, before we get into it, let me drop a little behind-the-scenes scoop. Some car brands, yes, I'm giving you side-eye Mercedes, are super protective of their tech. For those, unfortunately, the DIY route isn't an option, and you'll need to make that dealership pit stop. So if you're rolling in one of those models, you might want to press pause on the self-repair spirit, just for now. Also, here's something wild. There's one incredibly simple reason your key fob might not be working. It's the kind of thing that's so obvious, it often flies under the radar. Stick with me, and I'll share it, because nobody wants to have that facepalm moment in a packed parking lot. By the time we're done here, you won't just know how to fix your fob. You'll practically be the key fob guru. I'll even throw in a quick hack that could spare you a bunch of money, a load of stress, and that dreaded trip to the dealership with the sky-high service bill. Let's kick things off with how to program a second, or even a third key fob. Maybe you've got a new driver in the household, or you just want a reliable backup for those unexpected situations. Whatever the reason, adding another fob to your setup is usually way simpler than you'd imagine. Let me walk you through the steps. No sweat, no stress. Step 1. Collect all your keys and the key fob. Ensure that your current working key is within reach, along with the new fob you plan to program. It's essential to have both on hand for the process to go smoothly. But don't overlook this. If your car is equipped with exclusive or locked-down tech, yes, Mercedes, we're talking about you'll be required to visit the dealership to complete this step. DIY won't cut it with that kind of proprietary system. Step 2. Step into the vehicle and securely close all the doors. This action guarantees that the car's system is fully prepared for the programming process. Interrupting this step by opening any door while the procedure is underway may disrupt the entire sequence. Step 3. Insert the original key into the ignition slot. Make sure it is your original key and avoid starting the vehicle at this point. Right now, we are setting up the system to establish a connection with your key fob. Step 4. Turn the key to the on position, but do not turn it all the way to start the engine. This action activates your car's electrical system, preparing it to synchronize with the new key fob. Allow a few seconds for the system to shift into programming mode. Step 5. Begin programming the new key fob by pressing and holding its lock button within 10 seconds after turning the key to the on position. Continue holding the button for several seconds until you either notice the vehicle's lights flash or hear a chime sound. This signal confirms that the key fob has been successfully registered. Step 6. Turn off the ignition and take the key out to power down the system. Now, test the functionality of the newly programmed fob by pressing both the lock and unlock buttons. If the doors react accordingly, the process is complete. If there is no response, repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. Step 7. If you need to program additional key fobs, simply repeat the same procedure for each one. Most vehicles are capable of storing up to 4 or 5 key fobs in their memory, so feel free to add any extra ones as necessary to complete your setup. Now it's time to shift our focus to programming a single key. Perhaps your original key is completely lost, or you've purchased a pre-owned vehicle and need to set up a new key fob. Don't worry, most car manufacturers provide a solution for this situation. Just remember, the key will still need to be properly cut to match your ignition, before it can function correctly. Here's the step-by-step guide to take care of it. Step 1. Gather your documents before you can cut or program a new key. You'll need proof of ownership, like your vehicle registration or title dealerships will also ask for your ID. Step 2. Choose your key specialist. Take your proof of ownership to a locksmith or dealership. While dealerships can be pricier, they have access to your car's key code, making the process smoother. A trusted locksmith can also do the job, usually for a lower price. Step 3. Get your key made. The locksmith or dealership will cut a new key based on your vehicle's V or key code, ensuring it fits your ignition cylinder. Step 4. Set up your new key. Once the key is cut, you'll need to program it. You can do this yourself using the same method outlined above, or let the dealership handle it either way. Just follow the steps to turn the key to on press. Press the lock button and wait for the car's lights to signal the fob is registered. Step 5. Give it a try. Test your new key by locking, unlocking the doors, or starting the car. If it works, you're all set. If not, just repeat the steps, making sure you follow everything carefully. Now let's talk about programming for push-button starters. If you skipped the earlier part on how to program a key fob, you might want to go back and check it out. First, it'll make this part a breeze. But if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Step 1. Check your car's manual. Different manufacturers may have slightly different instructions for programming keys with push-button starters. If you don't have the manual, don't worry. I've got you covered with a general guide. Step 2. Get the car into programming mode. Now here's a step you can't skip to do. Do this, insert the old key fob into the ignition slot if it's a hybrid system, or simply press the start button without pressing the brake. This should put your car in a special mode that allows you to add or program a new key. If you don't do this, your key fob won't be able to sync up with your car. Step 3. Program. The new key press the lock button on your new key fob. Your car will communicate with it, and in a few seconds should recognize it with a light flash or chime. Step 4. Give it a try. Test the new key by pressing the push button. Start. If everything's good, the car should turn on, and the fob will lock. Unlock the doors. Step 5. Repeat if necessary. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry, repeat the process. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts for the car to register the fob. There's still one more key programming situation we need to cover. That often confuses people. Finally, let's wrap it up with programming a digital key. If you've mastered how to program a key fob, it's time to step into the future with a digital key. Here's how you can set one up for your car. Step 1. Check for compatibility. Make sure your car supports digital keys. High-end brands like BMW, Audi, and Tesla often feature this technology, but not all models do. Step 2. Install the manufacturer's app. Download the app that works with your car. For example, BMW uses the BMW Connected app, and Tesla uses the Tesla app. Step 3. Pair your device with the car. Turn on your car. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and follow the prompts in the app to sync your phone or smartwatch to your vehicle. Step 4. Activate the digital key in the app. You'll find an option to program or add a new key. Once you select this, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. Some apps might ask you to enter a code or even verify your identity through your fingerprint or facial recognition. Once this is done, your phone or smartwatch should be set as the new key. Step 5. Test the digital key. Try unlocking and starting the car using your phone or smartwatch. If everything works, you've successfully programmed your digital key. Step 6. Troubleshoot if necessary. If it's not working, ensure Bluetooth is connected or reset the key in the app. If it still doesn't sync, a dealer may need to get involved to finalize the process. Remember that common issue I mentioned earlier. It's your key fob battery. Many people overlook this simple fix and end up frustrated when their fob suddenly stops working. To replace it, just open up the back of the fob, take out the old battery, and pop in a new one. It's quick, easy, and can save you a lot of hassle down the road. So now you know how to program a key fob like a pro. Remember, checking the battery is key. If this video helped, don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.